Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to learn and draw the shapes. So let's get begin. Firstly I'm going to draw the outer lines of the shapes. First I draw the semicircle, then a square, then plus, and then circle. You can play a very nice game with shapes. Friends, come and let's learn the shapes. Semicircle, plus, square, and then circle. Now friends, learn the other shape. Triangle, pentagon, oval, hexagon, triangle, pentagon, oval, and hexagon. Everything has its own shape. You can see it everywhere. Now, let's color the shapes together. Red, blue, light pink, light blue, green, orange, purple, dark pink. Now let's color the shapes together. Red, semicircle, blue, square, light pink, plus, light blue, circle, green, triangle, orange, pentagon, purple, oval, pink, hexagon. Very good! If you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.